Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up your Unitrunker with RTL V4 in few simple steps. I'll do my best to explain you how to set up first your RTL-SDR V4, how to upload your drivers, and how to start it. Right, first of all, just please pay attention on this. So on your device manager, on your control panel, it should be showing like a block V4. So that means you got the proper and the right driver. So how is this gonna work? So you're gonna need the Zadig, and the first option is, so you should press list all devices. By default, ignore hubs, it's coming like on, so definitely you should remove this. You should see just the USB, just the USBs. Then press a block V4 and just do the install new drivers. Once you did this, once this one is done, you should see on your device manager, your control panel, device manager, you should see the block V4. Once you got this, by the way, I'm gonna put the link below so you can download easy Zadig, and or the easiest way, just Google it, Zadig download, so you find the download link. Just download it. There was no any virus, there was nothing malwares or anything like that. Just make sure you're using the official website. Once you got this and your drivers is installed and show the block V4, you just switch this one off and just remove it. You don't need it anymore. Our next step is open Unitrunker. Once your Unitrunker is open, this is the welcome window. So it's gonna look like that for you. I'm gonna make it a bit longer, and this one a bit shorter. Okay. So this is the welcome window to Unitrunker. So basically that's the colors, channels, anything. So this is the first window inside in the options. Basically there was nothing, literally there's nothing here you should change, except if you remember in the radio reference, you can add your user IDs. That's all, nothing else. Also, if you right, by default the Unitrunker, it's coming with North America. So if you're not living in North America, you just click on this and say no. That's all. Now let's step further. Get on the second options, it's radios. It's a radios. The second window, it's your radio. So once you got your driver properly installed, so they should appear here. If not, you just try to refresh and the radio is coming. So you see the labels CC and VC. So I'm using two devices. One is gonna be for the control channel, and the next one is gonna be for the voice channel. So what that means? So the one of the V4 RTL is gonna be a fixed frequency. It's gonna be like a completely standstill on the frequency, and the voice channel is gonna be change the frequency, depends where the control channel is sending it. So that's how you can listen whole the trunking system. If you go one device, I'm not really sure if you can manage to do so, because mostly of the trunking systems you just need two devices. I'm not say it's not possible, but it's nearly not possible with one device. Right, let's get further. So once you got your radios, open the first radio, click twice and open it. So it gonna be looks like this. Now open the second radio, so it's gonna be look like this. Okay, so this is the welcome window. So in the welcome window you just choose your SDR, the first one, and put the label CC. In my case, CC is the control channel, so it's gonna be more easy if we know which one which is, so we can easy control that. Go to the rates, add 19240. This is for the RTL-SDR. This is the bit rates. Then do the same with the next device. Add the VC, voice channel, as label, and then it's easy to use, so you can easy manage them on the top. So see which one is the voice channel and which one is the control channel for you. Once you got this, by the way, I strictly reckon do not change LNA, VGA, mixer or gain. If you do so, make sure you know what you're doing, because you just changing this, making highest number, it's easy to overload your device, so it's gonna be inefficient. So it won't be pick up any trunking system, and it's gonna be completely lost. So easy. So don't change. If you do so, just make a note or screenshot, or take your phone and take a picture of the numbers, just because they're working pretty well. It's working pretty well with me. And for me, I'm using by the way, diamond antenna. It's on the fiber mast. It's about the 10 meter of the ground, and it's about the 20-25 meters of my shack. So absolutely working very well, them configuration. So that's why I decide just keep them as is and not change them, because I did try with the different settings. They didn't get better, so they went worse, so I couldn't get any trunking system. Right, this is for the first window. So this is the welcome window. So let's get in the VFO1 on the buff. devices. What we see in this one, so label, label. After the label, you're gonna see a row of the device. What is this? So this is the, so we need to say of the software which device, which V4 RTL it's gonna be the voice channel, and which one gonna be the control channel. So just pick up one and put the signal, and the next one just pick up one, pick up the next one and just put a voice. So we got two different rows. So one is control channel, the next one is the voice channel. Squash. This one, I mean, you see I got a different, it's a -60 on the control channel and a -55 on the voice channel. This is because on some of the frequencies they're a bit lower, so that's why I got the 55 on the voice channel, and this really worked well for me. So you just give a try your numbers. They may be different of the mine, so definitely they will be different of the mine. And let's go to the next one. Next one is the volume at 70 by default, working very well. So you just use your volume scales on your computer, so you choose your volume. In my case 70 working very well. So mute. Next, on the control channel, yes, we don't need any sound, so we don't need anything, so it won't be any voice on the control channel. The control channel is just the, let's say it's like a main gate of the rest of the channels. So once you press the PTT of your radio, they go straight on the control channel. So the control channel say you go on the frequency, so your radio automatically are shifting the frequency and it goes into the voice channel. So that's why we don't need anything, because it's unusual to get the voice on the control channel. That's why a mute is yes. In the opposite, on the voice channel we don't need to be mute, so we need a voice, so that's why it's no. And this is the difference between voice and the control. The next one is wrapped. So what is this? So I'll show you just in a few seconds what this means. Let's open the scope. So scope. So this is that's the frequency, and this is the IQ. So that's the signal. You see exactly I got this on the middle. So the wrap, it's by default it's coming at 0. You see it's not exactly on the frequency, and the window on the top it's just getting lower. So make sure using the device, the option, I'm sorry, using that option to set your frequency exactly on the middle. So in my case it's -2, so I got 100% of the signal. Less than 100 will work, but we're trying to get a major of the signal to avoid any loss of the voice or the traffic channel or the control channel. In this case should be the same in the VAP, into the voice channel. Also, if your device is at -2, so just make sure you know what is the offset of your device. So the my one is -2, work well to me. working well. When I say that, is just for the measure of the SDRs. Avoid this. So this is working well to me. So -2 on the buff. TSQ, nothing, you don't need. So the audio. So definitely, let me show you. So definitely your audios will be completely different. I got a lot of virtual cables, a lot of devices. That's how I can get monitoring. I can just also do the recording and streaming. This is absolutely for different purpose, so you don't have to do so. You just choose your output device for the audio, and that's it. By default, it's coming by Microsoft Sound Mapper. If you're not using any virtual cables, if you're not using any mixers on your computer, just leave it like this and will work. If not, put a comment down below of the video, so I'll make sure I'll give you the proper answer and fix your Unitrunker to get work. Okay, same audio for the voice channel. A frequency. So the frequency, it's a manual. So this is the frequency of the control channel. So we don't know any voice channels, we don't know any frequency of the voice channel, so that's why we packed one of 4 devices on that frequency. So this is the control channel, so we're gonna watch them, and as soon as we got some reception in my area, it's not some major traffic, so as soon as we got some reception, there was another windows. I'll show you just after my explanation of the both windows. So it's open the third window, so the third window is automatic, and so you're gonna see how the information. Right, so manual, adding your frequency on the control channel. Voice channel, manual, just leave it 0. You don't need anything else. Dual, so leave the one of 5000. Pick everything you want to be picked up, or which system you're gonna work. So in my case, I got the all on the voice channel also. Now you're moving on the voice, so the voice just leave it like this. You don't need to change anything except if you know what you're doing with this. Okay, so this is the measure of the measure settings of the Unitrunker. And so let's get a bit further. Let's take this one down. Let's move this window here. Once you got the audio, or someone it's pressing the PTT on the radio and it's connected to the system, automatically it's coming on this window. So this shows the information about the channel in use, which site source, so I mean which radio is this, so the label of the radio, so we can put any label if you want. I'm just leaving empty, so it's all on the radio, yes, and nothing else. So nothing else from about this. Maybe in your location maybe you're gonna get much more information about the codes, about the joints, all this. Definitely you will. It's no, as I said before, on my place, just that trunking system, it's not any major traffic. I'm just enjoying to listen time to time. And right, so if you see that window, okay, let's see, let me close the window. I'm gonna stop this one now. Come on, baby. Right, stop it. No, this one, stop it also. You see, so this is the window before we're running the V4s or your RTL-SDRs, or basically your SDR. So let's press the play. Once this one is on the frequency and is getting 100% of the signal, automatically this window it's popping up. You can't just open it. It's automatic. It's not opened by you or by default. No, it's automatic window. So if everything is fine with your frequency, this window will be straight come over. So thanks for watching. That's all. Any questions, please put the link, put your comment down below in the comment section, or anything you think I missed, or if you got any additional questions, also please put your comment on the comment section. I'll make sure I'll explain you, or I'll explain you. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for my channel, subscribe yourself, don't miss the next videos. If you're a subscriber, automatically you're gonna be receiving notifications for my new videos, so that's how you'll be always up to date. Thanks for watching, see you soon.